Have you ever wondered how to harness the power of AI without spending a fortune? Well, today I'm going to share some incredible open-source tools that can kickstart your journey into the world of AI, all for free. In this video, we'll explore the best open-source AI projects that anyone can use, regardless of technical skill. Whether you're a complete beginner or a tech enthusiast looking to expand your toolkit, you'll find something valuable here. Plus, stick around for the end. I'll reveal one tool that could change the way you approach AI entirely. Let's get started. 1. TensorFlow. First up is TensorFlow. This is a powerful library developed by Google that offers a comprehensive ecosystem for machine learning. TensorFlow allows you to build and train neural networks easily. It's great for both beginners and experienced developers. With TensorFlow, the possibilities are endless, from creating simple models to complex applications in computer vision. Plus, it has extensive documentation and a supportive community, making it a perfect starting point. 2. PyTorch. Next, we have PyTorch, another prominent name in the AI community. Developed by Facebook, PyTorch is favored for its dynamic computation graph and ease of use. This is particularly useful if you want to iterate quickly while experimenting with different models. It's widely used in the research community and offers strong support for GPUs, which can speed up training significantly. Just try it out for your deep learning projects. 3. Hugging Face Transformers. Coming in at number 3 is Hugging Face Transformers. If you're interested in natural language processing, NLP, this library is a gem. With pre-trained models for a variety of tasks like translation, summarization, and sentiment analysis, you can get started in no time. The ease of integrating these models into your applications is what makes Hugging Face so appealing. 4. OpenCV. At number 4, we can't forget about OpenCV, an essential library for image processing and computer vision. OpenCV allows you to work with images and videos, enabling tasks like object detection and face recognition. Combined with other AI libraries, OpenCV opens up new horizons for creating intelligent applications. 5. Scikit-learn. And last but definitely not least, we have Scikit-learn. This is your go-to library for traditional machine learning algorithms. If you're looking to implement everything from regression to clustering, Scikit-learn is user-friendly, well-documented, and widely adopted. Getting started with Scikit-learn can add significant value to your data analysis toolkit. Before we wrap up, which tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tech insights. If you're looking for more ways to empower your projects with AI, check out my video on top 5 AI projects to learn in 2020.